Hey, good morning. And today I'm going to be making for you my light and fluffy pancakes. And if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to press the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I publish my next video. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends. We're starting by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then whisk all the dry ingredients together in a medium-sized bowl. Now add all the wet ingredients. 1½ cups of whole milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Whisk it all together until it's well incorporated into a nice batter. Let the batter rest while we butter a pan over medium heat. The batter ended up being a little thick, so I added 2 additional tablespoons of milk. Next, we're going to pour 1/4 cup of batter into the center of the pan and let that fry for about 3 minutes or until bubbles start forming around the edge of the pancake. Then flip it and let it cook for another 3 minutes. We can now plate it and just keep repeating the process, adding butter between each layer. And when we're done, add syrup on the top and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. And if this is your first time on my channel, please be sure to press the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I publish my next video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.